Now let us see what are disjoint sets. If two sets have no common element, then the two sets are said to be disjoint sets. That is, two sets are existing and not even a single element is present in which is common between the two sets. Then we say those are called as disjoint sets. Joint is when they are joining each other or there is an intersection. Disjoint means there is no joint between the sets. So such sets are called as disjoint. So let us see the example. Set A is consisting of the elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Set B is having the elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. Do you see any element which is common in set A and set B? No, we do not see. So when we talk about what is common between the two elements, which type of operation is that? That is intersection. So if I were to do A intersection B here, we are not seeing anything common in between them. So what type of set is that? That is a set which has no element at all in it, and it is nothing but an empty set, or it is also written as phi like this, right? So if there are two sets where there are no elements in common between the two sets and the intersection of the two sets is an empty set or a null set, then those two sets are said to be disjoint sets. So since A intersection B is an empty set or phi or it is a null set, sets A and B are disjoint sets. How do we represent it in a Venn diagram? Will they be touching each other? Will they be overlapping each other? Will one set be a smaller part of the other set? No, in none of these. They won't be touching each other because there is nothing in common between them. They won't overlap each other because only when there is an intersection, that time they will be overlapping each other. One set will not be a part of the other because one set is not the subset of the other. So when I represent, I will write the two sets separately and then write the elements in each of these sets. Set A is having the elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Set B is having the elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I write 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I just write them side by side without the two sets touching each other, overlapping each other. They are just written side by side.